Is CBD oil cannabis oil good for you? CBD oil is not the same as regular weed people smoke, not at all. It does not get you stoned and it by no means messes with your mind. The evidence proves it is a popular remedy for stress, anxiety and other mental disorders. It's known as CBD and it has over 100 chemical compounds in it. These are known as cannabinoids that are found in the cannabis plant. The main cannabinoid found in a cannabis plant is called tetrahydrocannabinol. This is what gives the feeling of being high. That's because it is psychoactive. Cannabis oil does not have this in it, so it is not psychoactive. The quality that cannabis oil is made is what makes it appealing, because it's a great way to relieve pain and any other symptoms you may have without having all the effects of feeling stoned. Cannabis oil is made from extracting the oil from the plant but then adding it to another oil like coconut oil or even hemp seed oil. It's becoming extremely popular for health and fitness and to deal with anxiety, depression, and other ailments. Also, CBD can relieve pain, reduce anxiety, it can alleviate cancer symptoms, reduce acne. It's in treatment for epileptic seizures and multiple sclerosis. It can benefit your heart. Studies show it can help reduce psychotic symptoms, helps keep tumors at bay and reduce effects of diabetes. It can interact with certain medications, so I advise you to see a doctor before using it. The overall use for this is great.